Hey, I'm Sarah Gaither with Carolina Pottery, and as you know, Christmas is drawing near, and buffalo check and red trucks are the hot thing this season. So what we're going to be making is we're going to actually do a window swag. And so the first thing that we're going to do is just kind of fluff up the greenery. I'm using what's called PVC greenery or artificial greenery. You can always add in some live greenery to it if you want to. And so I have already gone ahead and I've tied my bow that has our red trucks, our buffalo check, and then I added in a black and cream stripe. Make sure you watch any of our many tutorials on how to tie a bow. This is going to hang horizontally above your window or below. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come on and add my bow directly in the center. And I'm going to just pull it tightly and wrap the wire around the back. Now, at this point, you could be completely done. Or we're going to add a little bit more to it. So I want to go ahead and weave some ribbon throughout the greenery. I'm going to use all three of my colors. I'm going to pinch it at the end. I'm going to come underneath my bow, and using the greenery, I don't even need wire. I'm just going to wrap the ribbon on. So I'm just using the piece of greenery, and then I'm going to come down. Again, I'm going to put all three together. I'm going to pinch, and I'm just going to wrap it onto my greenery. Then I want to come back, press this down a little bit so that and I'm just going to open up the ribbon. Okay, so now I'm going to come to the other side and I'm going to do the exact same thing. So I'm pinching the ribbon together. I'm going to come underneath the bow and I'm going to twist the greenery around to hold on the ribbon. I'm going to do the same thing. Again, twist on my ribbon and then separate them. So at this point, I'm going to come back around, trim this up a little bit to match the other side. And again, I always like to cut my ribbon at an angle. That's totally up to you. And at this point, you could be done here. Or you could take it another step. And you can go in and add some berries. And I'm going to use some hot glue to glue those in. And I'm going to just take a little extra because this is going to hang outside. And I'm going to just twist a little bit of that on there. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Now these are water resistant berries, and so they will help, that will hold up against the weather. I'm just twisting that on a little bit there. And then cotton is the hot thing. So I'm going to, this was a pre-made wreath that I had, and so no reason not to use anything extra that we have, and I'm going to clip off a little bit. And I'm going to start adding in some cotton. And I'm using my glue pan, not my glue gun, because this helps get more glue to the bottom of your stem. I'm going to come down where I've weaved some of this ribbon and add some cotton so it's going all the way through. Tie that on just a little bit. And then you're ready to take it out and hang it up. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Sarah Gaither with Carolina Pottery.